Mastering verbal reasoning, a key to GMAT success. Hello, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to focus on an incredibly important topic: verbal reasoning in the GMAT test. This is a critical part of the test, and mastering it can significantly boost your scores. So, buckle up and let's dive right into it. First things first, let's define what we mean by verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is a section of the GMAT test that evaluates your ability to read and comprehend written material, reason and evaluate arguments, and correct written material to conform to standard written English. In short, it's all about understanding and making the best use of the English language. The verbal reasoning section of the GMAT is made up of 36 questions, which you will have 65 minutes to answer. These questions fall into three main categories. Reading comprehension. These are passages that you'll need to read and then answer questions about. Critical reasoning. These are shorter passages or statements that you'll need to analyze and draw conclusions from. Sentence correction. These questions require you to correct or improve a sentence while keeping its original meaning. Now let's dive a bit deeper into each question type and discuss some key strategies. Reading comprehension. When tackling these questions, don't get lost in the details. It's more important to understand the main ideas, arguments, and tone of the passage. Critical reasoning. For these questions, try to identify the argument's conclusion and premises. Also, it's useful to spot any weaknesses or assumptions in the argument. Sentence correction. In this case, understanding grammar rules and being able to spot common errors are key. Remember, the correct answer should be grammatically sound and keep the original sentence's meaning. Remember, like any other skill, verbal reasoning improves with practice. Use official GMAT materials or reputable test prep companies for practice questions. The more you expose yourself to GMAT-style questions, the better prepared you'll be. And that's a wrap on verbal reasoning for the GMAT. We hope that you found this video helpful. Remember, mastering this section takes time and practice, but with the right strategies and resources, you're definitely capable of acing it. Best of luck with your preparation, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into each question type with detailed strategies and examples. Until then, happy studying!